Hello, Mr. John, and thank you for agreeing to be on our video today. Can you please tell the folks at home what your story was, what kind of conditions you had before we began any laser therapy with you?
Yeah, about 2 years ago, not sure what happened, but my lower left back kind of like had a muscle strain, and it was some sharp pain and some aches. I had tried, it just hurt, and when I lay down, it would feel better.
Right. And then how long have you been suffering from that?
Probably close to 2 years.
Okay. What other treatments were you doing? Any medications? Any exercise? Just what kind of things were you doing?
Typical Tylenol, ibuprofen. Went to, I guess, orthopedic doctor. Had shots. Cortisone shots in it.
And how effective were those?
It helped for a little while, but then when it wears off, it was done.
Mm-hmm.
So that's it so far.
Right. Okay, so then we started the laser therapy with you, and we treated you for a few visits. Did you notice results right away, or did it take a while to notice results with the lasers?
Probably about 4 or 5, maybe 6 days later, it was feeling better.
That's good. And it lasted for a little while after that?
Still.
Yeah, okay.
Right now, or till today.
Yeah. And also, a lot of people want to know what the treatments feel like. Can you describe what you felt during the treatments?
Probably the biggest thing was at the spot where you were. Mm-hmm. It was warm.
Yeah.
It felt very warm, and then kind of like all down my front of my leg, I felt warmth. It didn't, I don't want to say burn, but it wasn't as hot as where you were.
Right, because we were kind of right on a nerve, and it's like we were getting that whole nerve warm,
and
right?
The whole leg felt it.
That is, it's a bizarre feeling, I know, but it wasn't an uncomfortable feeling.
Oh, no.
Right.
Just it was warm, it was weird.
Yeah. And at any point before we began the therapy or during it, did you have any kind of doubts about it being, laser therapy? What were your thoughts on that?
I didn't know anything about it, so I really didn't have any thoughts.
That's good. So you just kind of went into it and
I'm willing to try it, almost anything.
Gotcha. And then, like you said, how do you feel now? What kind of results have you seen after we've finished?
I guess the end results or the main results is it doesn't hurt as bad. Mm-hmm. I can stand longer, and then when I lay down, it seems to heal faster or get better faster.
So, and just to back up a little bit, you are on your job. You're on your feet all day long. And
no, I go for periods. I sit for periods, and then I'm standing for periods.
Okay, so, and your back was mainly hurting when you were standing.
Yes.
And so after doing the laser therapy, you could go a lot longer standing without as much pain.
Right.
And then when you try to recover, you can recover a lot faster.
It seems like it, yes.
Nice, okay. And a few more questions here. Would you recommend this therapy to others, and maybe who would you recommend it for?
Well, my wife did it, or doing it, I guess. A buddy at work I have recommended, but the biggest problem there is he's way on the other side of town, so that won't work.
I don't think the laser is going to reach that far.
No.
So we'll try.
But I would recommend it.
Yeah.
It was worth it to me.
That's good. And is there anything else you'd like to tell anybody who's listening?
I guess I got no extra thoughts at this point.
That's no problem. I appreciate you being on the video today, and thank you very much.
Oh, my pleasure.
Okay.